And then exhale, round through the spine, press into whatever part of your body is touching the mat. Lift up through your core, tuck through your chin. Feel the back body open. Inhale, drop the belly. Exhale, round through the spine. Now keep it going with your breath. And I'd like to invite you to soften your gaze or close your eyes and think about how when you drop into cow pose, the front body is open and expanding and the back body is drawing together in contraction. And then, of course, in cat pose, the opposite. And then release that, draw the palms together, Anjali Mudra at the heart space. Take a deep breath in. Maybe lift the corners of the mouth gently, if that feels right for you today. And then exhale, bow your head to your heart. Take a breath here. Navel up to the spine, supporting the low back. And you can spread the fingertips here, or if the wrists are fussy, you can come onto the knuckles, and we'll drop the belly. Inhale, open the chest forward. Feel a nice opening in the throat here today. Awesome, release. Lift the head, open the eyes, and let's come forward onto all fours nice and slow. Let's come into a tabletop position here. Gently drawing